Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and for my next video I will be doing some CN. So I'm going to slow that down and you'll get a good shot. Here we got a GP9 high hood and a GP38 in the CN stripes. I always thought these were the most interesting CN paint scheme. And I've rearranged some of the buildings as well. So I will be doing a longer video at some point detailing some of these cars and some of the changes I've made on my little layout here, and I'll run a few more engines. So please stay tuned to my channel. Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.